3406.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. I had a long time to make a video. You know how daily life is. Sometimes it gets you under its wheels. Well, we have to continue. And today I have a different item to show you from Baofeng. Baofeng has started making accessories for our radios too, and that's an interesting thing. This is a case, a carrying case. I know that a lot of you want things like that. That's why I had this here for the channel. It's always good to have your equipment neatly packed and easy to carry with you. So this is a very nice carrying case from Baofeng. It's called PB5. You will find it on the website of Baofeng Radio, of course, and a link in the description of the video. It's only $16, guys. I mean, it's not that expensive. It's about 15 euros, less than 50 euros actually. $16, 16 something. And it's a very nice case, hard shell. It's water resistant, okay, not waterproof, but water resistant. You can easily take droplets out of here or dust or something like that. And it has this very nice zipper, and inside Baofeng has already thought of us and has a packing foam for the radios, which is pre-cut. You will see here, for example, you can remove those, okay. Okay, and you will have two foam radios if you remove those, maybe to give your kids to play with and talk to each other. But besides that, you will see that they thought of this and they pre-cut the shape of the radios, and also two antennas. Let me remove those two. Okay, perfectly. Of course, it won't take the big antennas. It will take up to 6.5 inches, but I don't think that's a big problem. Let me show you how radios fit in here. Very nice, very snugly. Okay, I have a UV5R plus GPS here. Nice, and also the very classic one, DM1701. It's good to have the DMR with us. Perfect. And also the antennas, of course. Here I have the DMR one and the smaller one for the 5RM. You can put even more from those small antennas here. You can see those go to the bottom, and if you want you can put even more. And of course it also has the net here on the top of the case, and you can put other things there so you can carry them with you. A speakerphone, for instance. Pack it, close it, and you're done. Lovely. Pretty nice case from Baofeng Accessories. Check it out on the website. And of course, if you don't like the pre-cut foam that's inside, remember that you can always buy yours. I'm sure you can find online foam of this shape and cut it to your own specifications and to your own radios. You can easily make any adjustments you like. I mean, look at that, the radios can even fit like this, most of them, so you can take a foam insert and cut it to your own specs. Check it out and see you next time.